Hello, I'm Carolyn Herbert from the Finance News Network, and joining me from newly listed investment company WAM Microcap is Chief Investment Officer Chris Stott. Chris, welcome to FNN.
Thank you.
Now, can you start by giving us an introduction to WAM Microcap?
WAM Microcap's a newly created listed investment company listed on the ASX, which is focused purely on investing in companies under $300 million of market cap. And we're typically looking for growth companies in that area, companies that can graduate to be small to mid to large caps over time.
And Chris, now to your listing, how much was raised?
We ended up raising $154 million, which was an oversubscribed offer at $1.10 per share. So certainly the interest we had in the particular IPO was very, very strong, and it certainly had a pleasing start on the first day of trading slightly above that $1.10 issue price.
Very good. And now to the fund. Can you tell us a bit about your objectives and what investors can expect?
Oh, we're looking for those growth companies, and those growth companies with a catalyst, typically growing at 1.5 to 2 times their PE, and they've got to have a catalyst, something that we think in the market size will re-rate the share price over time. So companies like Reckon and PSC Insurance certainly fit the criteria for the portfolio. Capital Health's another one. So we're typically looking for those companies that are well managed in good industries that are growing no matter what the economy is doing.
And Chris, what is it about microcaps that make them so attractive to investors?
Look, certainly it's a very under-researched area of the market where there's not as much interest or stockbroker research or coverage of that microcap space. So it is quite labour intensive. Company visits are important in terms of getting to know various potential investee companies. So it's very much an undiscovered part of the market, which is something that really excites us over time.
And can you tell us a bit about your stock selection process?
Look, certainly we've got the flexibility to hold high levels of cash, and typically with our other mandates we've held around 30% cash over time, and this will be a similar example of that, where an absolute return focus, generally holding high levels of cash, holding 20 to 60 companies at any one particular point in time, utilising our proven investment process that has been with us now at Wilson Asset Management for almost 20 years.
And finally, Chris, what message would you like to leave for shareholders?
We'd really like to thank all the shareholders that have supported us with this particular capital raising for WAM Microcap. Now, certainly it comes down to us now to perform over time and to pay a steadily rising stream of fully franked dividends to shareholders over time, and that's one of the key objectives of the product.
Chris Stott, thanks for the update and congratulations on the listing.
Thank you very much.